Hi, have you ever wondered why discipline feels so difficult? You want to stay focused, you want consistency, you want success, but somehow you keep losing momentum. And most people think maybe I need more motivation. No, that is not the real problem. The real problem is this: your daily habits are silently destroying your discipline. And the dangerous part is most people don't even notice it. In this video, I will share the 7 habits that slowly destroy your discipline and how to fix them before they damage your future. Let me tell you something real. There was a problem in my life when I felt completely inconsistent. Some days productive, some days lazy, some days focused, some days distracted. And slowly I realized something important. Discipline is not destroyed in one day. It is destroyed through small repeated habits, tiny habits, small daily behavior. And once I started identifying these habits, my life started changing. Habit number 1: phone addiction. The first habit that destroys discipline: constant people distraction. Let us be honest. Most people wake up and immediately check their phone. Notification, social media, random scrolling, and before the day even start, focus is already destroyed. Your brain becomes addicted to stimulation, and once your attention becomes weak, discipline becomes difficult. So what is the solution? Control your phone before it controls you. Simple rule: no phone first 30 minutes after waking up. That one change can improve your discipline massively. The second habit: overthinking everything. Many people are not lazy. They are mentally overloaded. Too much thinking, too much planning, too much worrying. And because of overthinking, action gets delayed. Remember this. Clarity comes from action, not endless thinking. So instead of thinking perfectly, start imperfectly. Habit number 3: discipline becomes weak. When your sleep becomes random, late nights, late evening, late morning, no routine, and slowly your energy becomes unstable. You feel lazy, not because you are weak, but because your routine is broken. Simple discipline rule: sleep and wake up at fixed time. Routine creates stability, and stability creates discipline. Habit number 4. This is the one of the biggest discipline killer: comfort addiction. Easy entertainment, easy pleasure, easy escape, and slowly discomfort start feeling impossible. But growth only happens when you do difficult things consistently. So train yourself to become comfortable with discomfort. Small discomfort daily creates mental strength. Habit number 5. Many people destroy discipline because they try to do too much. Too many goals, too many habits, too many plans, and eventually everything becomes overwhelming. Discipline grows through simplicity. Focus on fewer things, but do them consistently. Habit number 6. Your word shapes your identity. If you constantly say, I am lazy, I can't stay consistent, I always fail, your brain starts believing it. And behavior follows identity. So change your language. Instead of saying, I am lazy, say, I am learning discipline. That small shift matters deeply. Habit number 7. Most people never pause and reflect. So they repeat the same mistakes daily. Discipline improves through awareness. Simple nightly questions. What worked today? What wasted my time? What will I improve tomorrow? Just 5 minutes of reflection can change your life. Let me tell you something important. Your future is not decided once a year. It is decided daily. By your habits, by your routine, by your decisions. Small habits seems harmless, but over time they shape your destiny. And the good news is small positive habits can also transform your life. Now, I want you to be honest with yourself. Which habit is hurting your discipline the most? Comment below. My biggest discipline killer is dash. Awareness is the first step toward change. Also, like this video, share it with someone who wants discipline. Subscribe for daily growth content, because this journey is about becoming stronger every day. Remember, discipline is not destroyed suddenly. It is destroyed silently through habits. Change your habit and your life will follow. Thank you.